Okay, now we will see how to find the magnitude of a 3D Cartesian vector, right? We learned that you could write in general a vector in 3D as a vector equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. That's my z, okay? So we know its components, that x I cap is the x component of the vector, y j cap is the y component of the vector, and z k cap is the z component of the vector. Now using this, how can I find the magnitude of a vector? So for that, let's come back to this example, okay, where this is along x-axis, this is along z-axis, and this is the vector along y-axis, okay. So I could easily write down that this length along x-axis will be, let's say this is your x I cap, or its magnitude will be equal to x. Then similarly, this is the vector along z-axis, right? So I could write this down as z k cap, alright. And finally this is the vector along y-axis, so I could write this down as y j cap. Okay, so I got these three vectors. Now how to find the magnitude of the 3D vector? Okay, so first of all, let's draw a line over here. Okay, now look at this triangle. Okay, look at this whole triangle. Let's name this triangle as this is O A B. B is not good. So this is my triangle OAB. Here the angle between OA and AB will be 90 degree, right? So for this triangle, I know one side is equal to x, the other side is equal to z. This is a right angle triangle, so I can easily find the hypotenuse over here. So the hypotenuse will be equal to root of x square plus y square. Okay, this is the hypotenuse, this line over here, OB. Okay, this is the line OB. Alright, now let's draw the vector. So your vector will start from O and end all the way up to this end. This is your vector, right? So let's name this fourth end as OAB and finally C. So OC is your vector over here, okay? And I want to find the length of OC, where OC is what? Your x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So for finding OC, I use this triangle OCB. Okay, I use this triangle OCB, where OB and BC are perpendicular to each other. I could say that OB and BC are perpendicular to each other. So then OC is the hypotenuse, and I could write down that OC will be equal to under root of OB square plus BC square, right? I could do that. OC is one side, BC is the other side, and OC is the hypotenuse. Now OB is what? OB is equal to root of x square plus y square. Put that over here. And BC will have length equal to y. So put that over here. Then you will obtain that OC will be equal to root of x square plus z square plus y square. Or in this case I could write down my A vector is having magnitude as root of x square plus y square plus z square. This is z, okay? So this is similar to the vector in 2D. In 2D vector we only have x I cap plus y j cap, and the magnitude is root of x square plus y square. Now in 3D we have x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and the magnitude will be simply root of x square plus y square plus z square. Simple, okay?